So in this next section, we're going to talk about a really cool feature in NetPoint called automated layouts. And our layout manager is one of the many patented items that is new technology in our industry. Were created by Dr. Guy Ponce de Leon. So up here you'll see this little teardrop. That's going to bring you to the layout manager. And I'm going to open the layout manager and we'll go through some of the details there. You can see here in the layout manager, we have one layout at this point. That's what you're looking at. And what we're going to do is create some other layouts based on the coding structure and the work breakdown structure we've built into this schedule. Remember, if you're interacting with P6, you can import your P6 schedule and we'll bring your work breakdown structure and your coding structure with the schedule through an XER file. So let's take a look at structures here. I want to derive my swim lanes, and you remember we talked in the earlier section a little bit about swim lanes. That's basically a way of arranging work across the canvas horizontally. We're going to take a look at building this first layout using the code by phase. So we have phase 1 and phase 2, and what the system's going to do is it's going to rebuild the schedule and lay it out based on that coding structure. I'll get this out of the way, and we can see that now you have phase 1 and phase 2, and they're each in their own swim lane. And then the individual hammocks for those activities are associated with them within that phase layout. And you can see here we've got all the activities that were coded for phase 1, and here's all the activities that were coded for phase 2. You can do this also through what sort of professionals, whether it's engineering hours or plumbers or pipe fitters, anything that you need to sort out by the trades you can do using the same work breakdown structure and coding structure. You can create a work breakdown structure or a coding structure within NetPoint, or you can import it from your P6 schedule. You can set the rules for how you want it to sort the schedule. So for instance, you can say that I want the least number of activities to cross. You want to follow float chains, which is another one of our patents. That's how we manage to be able to go through all these activities and sort them out by following the float chain. This is a very detailed tool. We actually score your schedule, so we can tell you how good the graphic is based on a few rules that we've set up. For instance, we don't like it when these logic links cross over an activity, and you can see we don't have that in this case. And it's just it's a great tool for rearranging the data that you get in from another scheduling tool. When we used to import XER files before we had the layout manager from P6 into NetPoint, we'd spend hours moving the activities around and arranging them. And now, because of this automated patented system in the layout manager, we can do it automatically.